little kitty cats, welcome to your first Regents Review lesson. We're going to be talking about parallel lines with the transversal. This is a blast from the past. I know you're looking at this being like, I remember seeing this, and you have, and I will remind you of it if you forgot a little bit about it. So, there's just one thing you have to be able to do here, and it's just to name what these pairs of angles are. So, look at this first one. If I have two parallel lines right here, look at this. I got a parallel line and a parallel line, right? And I have this transversal going right through it, okay? This is called a transversal, all right? So let's put a little label over that. So we have a transversal. I want to name what these two angles are, this guy and this guy. Well, the first thing you have to remember, and I'm not sure if you do, is that there's two main areas in this. There is what we call the interior, which is in the middle. So that is what we call our interior, okay? Interior. And then we have this other area called our exterior. So that's everything on the outside. These would be the exterior, okay? So everything on the outside is called our exterior. So if I wanted to name these two angles, all right, hold on, let me remove all this stuff, but you should have that copy down. If I want to name these two angles right here, I know they're on the interior, so I know they're going to be interior angles, and they're on alternate sides. So when they're on the opposite sides of the transversal, we call that alternate, okay? Alternate. So to identify it, you just have to say they're on opposite sides of the transversal, and they are on the interior. So these are alternate interior angles. All right, let's go down to the second one. Now these two angles, angles 1 and 2, are on the exterior of it, the parallel lines. That's on the exterior. Now, since they're on the exterior, we would call them exterior angles, but are they on the same side or opposite side of the transversal? Remember, this is the transversal. Transversal. And since they are on opposite sides, we could say that they are alternate, because they're on opposite sides of the transversal, exterior angles. Next one. Same side interior. Well, this is the most intuitive one because look, you have two angles that are on the same side of the transversal, so we call it the same side of the transversal, right? Right here of my transversal, and on top of that, they're on the interior. So if they are on the same side and on the inside, they are same side interior angles. And finally, corresponding is usually the hardest one. They are on the same side, okay? One is on the outside, one is on the inside, okay? Same side, one is on the inside, one side is on the outside. Okay, that pretty much sums it up. So basically what you have to do is look at these and name them. This is your work. Can you name them? And 2, give examples of these. I'm going to set you off right. Now, I just want to say for like number, let's say 2. I'll give you one helpful hint on this one. If I want to find alternate interior angles, first thing to do is figure out where the interior is. That's this area right here, right? That's my interior of these two lines. And they have to be on alternate sides of my transversal. This is my transversal. So this would be on one side, and this would be on one side. Number 6 over here. So, oops. Oh, sorry, almost. So I can say that number, what's it called? 4 and 6 are alternate interior angles because they're on opposite sides. Now you try the rest on your own. Good luck, and you'll do great. 4, angle 4, and 6. Remember, kids, always drink enough water to get you through the day, or else you might blow up.